Hi guys, this is here with Tech. Welcome on my channel. Let me turn the microphone so it can capture better sound. For those who are not aware, this is my Olympus recorder I'm using to enhance the sound, right? In my videos, while it might be a very old model, the Olympus DM550 still does a very nice job. But what if you can turn this into this? I came across something very interesting called the Snipback Lifehacker Smart Voice Recorder Pro HD. Now, don't get me wrong. Usually when I see somebody putting things like Pro or HD, yeah, I'm out of here. But this time, right, there are two things. First, it costs almost like €2, still free. So if you're watching this video somewhat around the 16th of August and next couple of days, guys, you can get it for free, right? And the second thing, it has some very nice functionality. A lot of things inside there, right? I'm gonna put a link down below where you can check this for yourself. But it does say that you can record as much as you want and actually only save what you need. And this is really what got me hooked up. With this recording app, you simply put your smartphone in the listening mode. After you have heard anything interesting, you can retrieve the audio, go back in time, and Snipback will save the last seconds of audio from the past. Stop recording big audio files, and this way you won't have big audio files but small and perfectly arranged audio notes. It does also have some noise cancelling, and by the way guys, I did not turn off my AC, the air conditioner. I just left it on during this video, right? But hey, the audio anyway comes through this baby, so if you hear a little okay, you know, at least I'm not sweating, right? But here you have noise cancellation, so maybe this can deal with this. High quality sound recorder, right? So you can select different sample rates and etc. You can use this as a studio recorder. You can arrange recorded voice files in sessions. You can shape those snippets, so the snippets that you can just go back in time and retrieve are up to 30 minutes. Noise reduction, take a note, then remove background noise with a tab. I'm going to be testing this on my AC, and again, it really has this nice functionality. It comes for free, so I don't see any reason why not click the install button. If you're here for the first time, you might as well also check my other videos. I do a lot of mobile stuff, mobile photography, smartphone reviews, application reviews, new firmware updates, benchmarks, bootloader unlocking, TWRP for Xiaomi phones, a lot of stuff on OnePlus in the past. Yeah, get it all guys, so please check my channel, and if you like what you see, hey, just subscribe, please. And if you do decide to subscribe on my channel, deeply appreciate it. Now back here with Snipback Lifehacker Smart Voice Recorder Pro HD. Make the last one please close the door. That's a nice saying we have in Bulgaria. I'm gonna open the application. What do we see here? We have the good quality, 10 seconds. Alright, so let's go to 15-20 seconds. So set tracks, quality and duration. Alright, so let's just do something like this. I'm gonna go for OK, and I'm going to press the start listening button. So of course the application won't use my microphone. Why not? Your smartphone is now listening. Okay, let's go through the tutorial. When you tap on the 30-second, Snipback recovers the last 30 seconds from the past. Alright, let's just see that one. Tap after you've heard something interesting and Snipback will save it for you. Alright, let's see how this works. So, okay, I'm gonna be doing here my test. And guys, there is also the night mode here, so when you click the night mode, what is gonna happen, your phone is gonna go into secretly listening, kind of like spy stuff. Tap on the screen to recover audio, single tap first duration, double tap second duration, triple tap third duration, long press to return to the normal mode. Alright, so I mean that's quite interesting. And guys, what I'm gonna be doing right now, I'm gonna hit the 20-second and see if I can hear my own speech. So now I'm recording more than 1 minute 20. I just want, let's take the last 20 seconds. Oh, okay. Now interesting is, can we still record while I'm saving? Okay, let's record snip 1. What I want to check right now is, while I'm saving my last snippet, am I able to still record? I think yes, but okay, let's just hit another snip here. Let's call it just, this time just 2, and we can just see that it just keeps recording. That's quite interesting guys. I have pressed the OK button and saved my second snip, which you can see here, and it still keeps recording, which is kind of really crazy. Right, let me just do one more time, alright? Another 20 seconds, okay, and I'm gonna just call this 3. I'm gonna hit here the OK, and I'm going to stop listening. Keep the entire audio from the beginning. No, I don't need this. Let's say I just got my snippets. Okay, here they are. Let's just hear the first one. Tap second duration, triple tap third duration, long press to return to normal mode. Alright, I mean that's quite interesting. And guys,
it's nice.
What I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to hit the 20 second and see if I can hear my own
noise
speech.
reduction
So now
off.
I'm recording more.
That was not bad. Noise reduction also works. It does kill a bit the higher frequencies, but I still think it will do a good work.
I'm still doing some recording now. This is interesting. While I'm checking the last snippet, I want to see if I'm able to find it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Well, why not?
And guys, let me just see. You can apparently share this directly on social media and whatever. It is right now in WAV format, but if you hit here export, you're gonna be able to export it in WAV. If you go to the main menu, right, there are some options, and apparently you can go for a better quality. So good quality, 30 minutes. So you can just set here the track and the duration. I'm now back into the first menu, guys, where again you can hit the options, and here you can just set the track's quality and duration. So good quality, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 5 minutes. This is kind of like the default. If you just go back, this is it. You're just exiting the application. Well guys, this has been it, but now allow me one moment. I just want to do one more snippet under my AC, so stay tuned with this. I'm gonna hit here the listening mode, and I'm just gonna get directly under my AC. Alright, I am just now placing the phone directly under my AC, so it should be quite noisy. And I'm now going to return back to my recording set in my very much professional home studio, and I'm going to be hitting here the last, let's say, 10 seconds. Alright, I don't want to listen anymore. Okay, let's just try to keep the entire audio. Let's type 2. Okay, let me just hear the listening mode, and I'm just gonna get directly under my AC. Alright, I am just now placing the phone directly under my AC, so it should be quite noisy. It's a bit better, guys.
I'm now going to return back to my recording set.
Honestly, I'm not impressed with the way noise reduction is done, but hey, apparently still you can do something which is not quite bad. I'm really fascinated. This application seems to be quite useful. Guys, if you are into things like this, or if you think you might benefit from using a software like this, then just go download it. Right now I think it's for free. If not, then just buy it. And if you have liked this video, like the video, and just leave me a comment or ask me anything. With that said, guys, please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next episodes. VST over, and you're gonna see right now a BMW Jetta flying here. Bye.